Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to screenshot your safe house, and you can share it in your on your Facebook and also save to your phone gallery. So the first step is click your banner, your avatar or your profile banner at the top left of your screen and click the basic. This is your player profile page, and at the bottom click the visit safe house. So welcome, this is your safe house, or this is my safe house. So what you need to do is click the share button at the top right of your screen. This is share button. Click. Voila. Now this is the screenshot of my safe house or your safe house. So you can share it on your Facebook to show off to your friends, or you can save it to gallery of your phone by clicking the two button uh, below at the bottom of your screen. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.